My name is Gibson. I live in South California. Before I get the Waterdrop, I bought bottled water from store. My family drink 1 packet of bottled water a week. I want to get more healthy water, so I'm thinking about filtration. I found Waterdrop searching internet. My initial impression about the Waterdrop is it's very simple to install and look very nice. Before X Series, I used the G3 P800. The new model is impressive to me. Compared to the old model, the X Series is easy to install. The old model, they have some accessory outside, so we need to take more time to install. With the new model, everything included in the filter includes more function. We can use it with the fixed amount. The flow is fast. It improves the taste water a lot. I like it because it's modern and clean. Now I'm comfortable. I can save money and get water to my family to drink every day. When we think about the Waterdrop, we always think about healthy water. I will recommend to my friends and families.